Today we're going to talk about how to read different types of graphs. First, we're going to look at some definitions and some examples of data. So the first thing we have is categorical data. This is data that has been grouped in categories, not numbers. And numerical data is numbers that are grouped together. So data categories, described by numbers. So we're going to look through these examples, and we're going to put a C next to it if it's categorical and an N if it's numerical. So eye color, that is going to be categorical because the list you're going to make are not going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're going to be examples like blue eyes, brown eyes, hazel eyes, green eyes. The next we're going to look at is favorite food. That is also going to be categorical because you're going to give an answer such as pizza or hamburgers or hot dogs. Height is our next one, and that's going to be numerical because you're going to give a number answer. I'm 5'4", 6'2", 3'9". And then age is also going to be numerical. Go ahead and try these ones on the right-hand side yourself, and then you can come back and look at the answers with me. So press pause. I'm going to go ahead and go over the answers. Favorite sport, that's going to be categorical because you're going to say baseball or football or soccer. Number of siblings is going to be numerical because you're going to give a number answer. Type of car, that's going to be categorical. And number of pets is numerical. The next thing we're going to look at is distribution. Distribution is the arrangement of values of a data set. And if you look, we have 3 types of distribution. We have the first one, which is going to be negatively skewed or left skewed. And if you look, the reason why it's left skewed is because the tail is on the left-hand side. And the majority of the data is on the right, so it's skewed left. The left side is missing a lot of data, so it's skewed. The next one we have is going to be normal. That means it's evenly distributed in a bell shape where the median is actually in the middle of the graph. And then the last one is positively skewed or right skewed because the majority of the data is on the left and the tail end, the empty side, is on the right. So that's all we're going to cover today. You should be able to look at different types of data and determine if it's categorical or numerical, and then be able to look at your histograms and box plots and be able to tell, is this going to be negatively or left skewed, positively or right skewed, or normal skewed.